Hello traders, hello investors, how are you doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. Today let's take a look at SOFI. I know you guys like SOFI, so let's update a few key points on it. I hope you guys are gonna like this video. If you are already my subscribers, please click on the like button to support me. If you're new around here, consider subscribing because I do daily videos, daily analysis in this channel, and I will keep you guys updated on SOFI. Seriously, consider subscribing. I think you guys are gonna like our content. Now, let's take a look at SOFI. What is the trend on SOFI? It is bearish. In what time frame? Well, I think all of them. It is bearish in the short, mid, and long term. Is there any hope for SOFI? Yes, there is. Yes, there is a very important key point. We should keep our eyes open on it. We're going to talk about that later. First, in the 1 hour chart, we see that it is still doing lower highs, lower lows. SOFI is not doing any meaningful bullish reversal chart pattern over here, or even candlestick chart pattern. I don't see anything meaningful over here. There is not a single bullish structure. But it is important for us to keep our eyes open because we have some important key points right now. For instance, SOFI has 2 open gaps in the short term. If you ask me, there is a very high chance that SOFI is going to fill all of these gaps, both gaps, in the next few days or in the next few weeks if we trigger a very important key point, which is the $7.74. Why? Because this point was the previous support level on March 14. Since March 14, SOFI went up nicely. We found a resistance at the 21 EMA, and then we dropped it all the way down again. However, right now it feels to me that SOFI, it dropped it. Most because the entire stock market dropped it, okay? If you look at the Nasdaq index, it dropped sharply since March 29, and SOFI is also dropped since March 29 over here. So it feels this drop is not that related to SOFI, but it's related to the overall mood of the investors, okay? So I think this movement is very technical and expected. However, if we close above $7.74, SOFI will probably do a false breakout from this previous support level, meaning a false breakout, it's going to stop many bears around, many people that are shorting it, that were expecting for a further drop because it is losing support levels. These guys are probably going to be stopped, and we might see a rally on SOFI, at least to fill both gaps. So if we break $7.74, and what is most important of all, consistently trade above the 21 exponential moving average, I think SOFI will have decent, very high chances of filling both gaps. The 21 EMA and that kind of trading pattern, like a false breakout, these patterns are very important to me, to my trading methodology. I really like to watch that kind of stuff. If you want to trade with a very solid and proven trading methodology, I recommend subscribing at my trading newsletter. Our track record is very good. We can consistently beat the market by a mile. Last year, we performed almost 70%. We had a very nice, astonishing performance. What's more, every single one of my past trades, you may just click here to check this public document. They're all here. Every single one of my trades since 2021. You may just see, well, check my results for yourself. You don't need to believe in me. And if you like, well, I invite you to subscribe. Consistency is what we really seek in this market to make money forever. Okay, so guys, in my humble opinion, 774. If you look in the weekly chart, we are way below the IPO price, and the IPO price was $11. If you look in the daily chart, the first gap is at $9. However, the previous resistance is at $10.61. It's almost at $11. So, okay, in the short term, probably we're gonna fill both gaps. But if the reaction persists, I think we can easily retest the $10.61 in the midterm. Okay, so this is probably gonna take a while. It's not gonna be a fast movement, but I would work with the 10.61 if we break and trade consistently above the $7 $7.74. Okay, so we have both gaps to fill. That's very good in the short term. Mid-term, 1061. That's very good. And if we do a bullish candlestick pattern in the weekly chart, I think we could even retest the 21 EMA. However, again, this is a longer time frame prediction, okay? It's gonna take, and I say prediction, I don't like to use that word because I can't predict anything, but if you are working with a longer time frame, I would just pay attention to the 21 EMA in the weekly chart. If you're looking as a swing trader, if you are a swing trader, 1061. If you are aiming for the short term, both gaps, I think they are a very nice target for us to work with. So guys, these are my insights on SOFI. I really appreciate your support. Let's pay attention on the $7.74. Again, this is the most important key point. Let's see how SOFI is going to react from here. Thank you very much for your support, my friends. Stay safe. Farewell.